get it.
Ready?
So I just jumped from this area right here. My GoPro's on this stick that I thought floated. Obviously it didn't. So straight to the bottom. My guy right here, he was able to find it with his foot and able to get it. So hey, so the hike continues. All right. That was a adrenaline rush, baby. As Ric Flair would say, woo! That was a nice rush, baby. All right, so we're on our way to the second waterfalls. Second falls, I'm just waiting on my man, Brett. My man had to take a nature shit, so when nature calls, I guess you gotta do what you gotta do. So we're gonna continue to scramble down this way. Now, usually people rappel down here, so I'm not really no rappel type of guy, so I'm relying on my climbing skills. So we'll see how it goes. From what the videos I've seen like the water seems like it's pretty deep, so we'll see. Me and my guy, we're doing this with no rope, so either we can scale to the side or we can jump. I'm gonna jump. I'm still not touching. I'm not touching. Woohoo! It's dope, man. It's been a good experience. So I did all these jumps with no rope. I suggest don't do that. Yeah, baby. Just jump all those waterfalls. Most people, they come in this canyon, they rappel, which I highly probably recommend that you do. Nonetheless, it was still a great experience. I was able to jump all the falls, and it was a good adrenaline rush. It was pretty dope, man. So we managed to make it through this canyon. Me and my guy Brett, hiking buddy Brett. I jumped. He was getting kind of worried. He didn't want to admit it, but it's all good.
I jumped a big one earlier.
Oh, he did jump a big one earlier.
I decided to take the easy way around.
Yeah, those two jumps over there was pretty awesome. Yeah, so it's probably in our day right here. Obviously, overall, it was a good hike, good adventure. We did it without no ropes. I recommend that you don't do it if you're not confident in your climbing.
There's some down climbs.
Yeah, there's some down climbs. But yeah, I don't recommend it if you're not confident in your scrambling ability. So I recommend rappelling. And if you ever come out here, enjoy yourself. Hike out ain't never fun, especially coming out of canyon. That's That's it. We finally made it out. We took the wrong detour. Had to do a little scrambling, but hey, we made it, so we're finally out.